Okay, I'm coming live to you because I couldn't gatekeep this room. This is the ultimate family townhouse here on Icon of the Seas. I'm gonna walk through with you. It is colorful. I hope I can show you as much as possible. It's a little crowded because we're all viewing the rooms, but it's insane, all right? Let's get started. First of all, let's go to the entrance and work our way through because this is just epic. So here we go. Let's go right here. Just not yet. I'm gonna leave in a second. How it goes. Here we go. So you step in. That's your view. You're coming right here. You've got all of this. Okay. You've got a slide to go upstairs. You have got, check this out. Wait for it. How cute is that? You have a giant TV, almost like a family room, movie theater. You have a play table that is interactive dominoes, interactive puzzles. Check that out. Let's play jigsaw puzzles. How beautiful is that? All right. And then we've got outside, you've got a hot tub. Excuse me. You've got this entire view. Watch this walk around happen. You walk around the entire side of the ship. You've got all of this. Oh, sorry. You're coming all the way around. And then right here on the side, you've got... This is your view from the ultimate family townhouse. Okay. I forgot my little suction. All right. And then I don't even know how we get upstairs. Oh, here's how we get upstairs. You've got an entire panel of things to play with. Let's go up these colorful stairs. As you step on the stairs, it plays like a piano. Check that out. And then you've got a trampoline area. You've got the slide. Okay, this is the ultimate family townhouse. Okay, it sleeps 8, right?
Correct,
8. You've got everything. Everything is just fun play. Touch screen, everything. This is one bedroom with a nice mirror. I mean, this is when you have a whole family. You get another deck up top. I may very well just slide down. Do you want me to slide down? Let me know if you want me to slide down. I'm out of breath here. Look at that closet. Okay. I don't even know if kids need to stay here. That's how beautiful this place is. Wow, check out this bathroom. I say it's just adults only, but this is beautiful. Hi. And here we go. This is the kids' room. What a beautiful, fun play space for the kids. Okay. And then you've got the kids' bathroom. Oh my goodness, how stunning is this? Again, this is the ultimate family townhouse. That pulls down into another bed. And then I think this girl's gonna do a slide in a dress. I think we're gonna do it. All right, do I do it? Let's do it. Too many things in my hand, we're gonna go. Are you ready? Let's go down this slide. Let's see if I can make it. Yeah, no, I gotta put some things in my bag. I'm live here with everybody. Thank you so much. We're gonna make it down the stairs. Yeah, let's go. Gotcha. All right, here we go. You think it's gonna be scary or what do you think? Fun. Fun? All right, here we go. Let's do it. Let me get my whole thing together here. I'm a crazy lady. Okay. Oh, here go the Tory Birches. Here go the Tory Birches. Yep. That was crazy, guys. What? That was, oh, I just, that was wild. I just went down that slide live for you guys. Remind me not to do that again. That was so much fun. Anyway, I'm going to say goodbye from the ultimate townhouse here on Royal Caribbean's Icon of the Seas. There's Michael Bailey in the back on the screen. And wow, I hope you enjoyed this one. Bye. Ah.